Canlyniad gwych, oedden ni'n gwybod oedd yn mynd i fod yn tyff, maen nhw'n fflio yn y lig o dan, so oedden ni'n gwybod oedd yn mynd i fod yn tyff heddiw, ond na, nathon ni gael y job i wneud yn diwedd. Dwi'n meddwl swn i wedi cael chydig mwy y hanner gyntaf na nhw, ella. So ni'n gorffan yn chances ni, ond na, peth pwysig ydi bod ni drwadd i'r rownd nesaf.
I think the first 2 or 3 minutes would give them opportunity through real sloppiness, you know, but after that, I don't think they've had. Connor's made a really good save in the second half, but yeah, we played the game at a really high tempo, and you know, we got after them, and they tried to play it, to be fair to them, and you know, you can see why they're top of the league. They're coming north, so they're a very good team. They've got some good technical players. Obviously, Mark Allen's is a very experienced and good manager. But yeah, I think our tempo and you know, and our attitude to the game was really good.
I didn't think we were good enough with the ball today. When we got it, it was very rushed, and you know, they're a very good side and they're very, very clinical. So yeah, it wasn't to be.
Maen nhw'n tîm really dda, a unwaith maen nhw'n mynd 3-dim, maen nhw eisiau sgorio 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maen nhw jyst eisiau mynd ati, ond yeah, yn y diwedd 5-dim, ond wythnos diwethaf ddaru nhw curo pen y bont yma 4-dim, a maen nhw yn fflio yn ail yn y gyngrair. Maen nhw obviously yn gyngrair uwch na ni, a wel, dyna beth dyn ni eisiau anelu am, a dyna lle dyn ni eisiau bod bob wythnos.